What's up, guys? Welcome back to Yarn Boy Gaming. Today I'm going to be teaching all of you low-life losers how to cook a real meal. Alright guys, step 1. Literally just follow the instructions on the box. It's not that hard, guys. Like, you could ignore all the warnings about eating raw batter. As long as you have eggs and water and vegetable oil, you're gonna be able to make anything that's on boxes, guys. Alright, tip number 1, if you ever run out of salt for a recipe that calls for salt and you somehow don't have salt, you can always make more by mixing a little bit of baking soda with some white vinegar. It's helping me out of so many pinches when I run out of ingredients. Alright, here we go. Don't mind the bubbling, that's just what happens when you mix together. After it stops bubbling, it makes salt. Alright, tip number 2. If you're ever making something and the last time you made it, it was way too flat, not enough air, you can always add in some cotton balls to really give it that extra fluff. This is especially helpful for pancakes because pancakes, people care about the fluff sometimes more than the actual taste. If you ever don't have cotton balls or any type of cotton, you can always substitute it for cat or dog fur. The same exact rule applies to sponge cake. If your sponge cake is ever not spongy enough, you can always throw in some extra sponges. The more, the merrier. Always remember. Be careful because sometimes in the oven, all the sponges can get a little bit too spongy and they might start singing songs about pineapples under the sea and stuff, so just be careful, alright? For the third and final tip, if you're ever in a really big hurry and you need to cook something twice as fast, you can always double the temperature. For example, these peanut butter cookies cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, so we just do 375 times 2, which is 750 or something, and most ovens go to 2000 degrees, so you just do it like you'd normally bake something, except at 750 or whatever 2 times the amount of it is, and then there you go. Mine's already at 550 degrees. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you ever want to see a part 2, part 3 to this type of cooking video, please just comment and tell me.